Hi everyone, this is Lincoln Fisher over at TD Realty and the Eagle One Group, and I wanted to take just a moment to invite you out to a very special broker open house coming up this Wednesday, July 29th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. We have some very special guests going to be there. This is being primarily hosted by Orchard Title. We're bringing in Mr. Brent Patterson from Nexa Lending, who has a great program that just came out that with seller participation could allow your clients to be able to get into a home or sell a home and help a seller get into it with almost zero out-of-pocket expenses. And then we have Lisa Torres coming in as our professional photographer. She's going to give away the first 10 people that show up get a free headshot. And to top it all off, Chuy's. Yeah, some great Mexican food. Chuy's is going to be there and presenting their nacho bar. So guys, take a few minutes, come by 5207 Pershing Avenue in Fort Worth. Zip is 107 from 11 to 1 next Wednesday, July 29th. And let's network, have some fun, have some great food, and we'll see you there.